Life with pets is full of joy, but accidents happen. Introducing Shaw Floor's Pet Perfect Carpet, designed to handle life's little messes. Zoom in on the carpet's texture, highlighting its durability and stain resistance. Crafted with ultra-durable ANSO high-performance fibers and R2X built-in stain protection, Pet Perfect resists stains and makes cleanup a breeze. Spend more time playing fetch, not cleaning up. With a range of styles to match any decor, Pet Perfect offers both beauty and peace of mind. Choose Shaw Floor's Pet Perfect Carpet because your home deserves the best. Ultra-durable, easy-to-clean carpet, the 3 PS, pee, poo, puke, aren't why you adopted your pet. Spend more time playing fetch, not cleaning up accidents. Pet Perfect carpets are 2x easier to clean than traditional carpets. Let your pets be pets and relax knowing you have the only carpets designed for you and your pets. Thank you for visiting the McCurley's Floor Center YouTube channel. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, X, Pinterest, and LinkedIn. See you next time.